This is how to do the canvas trend. So what you gotta do is the sticker, color canvas, and then just in the color. I like yellow. I will use it. Then just do anything. Then pick your song like rock the body, come on, rock your body, rock your body, rock your. And just do anything. Rock your body like that. Yeah, the brrr. So this places whenever you want. Then pataping.